Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In that, the topic name is centroid of a triangle. We know this is a triangle ABC. Centroid means what? A triangle can have how many medians, Nana? 3 medians. See now, from vertex A. So this is AD is a median of triangle ABC, and as well as from vertex B. So you can draw like this. BE also a median of triangle ABC, and from vertex C you draw CF. So clearly the 3 medians AD, BE and CF, the point of concurrence of 3 medians, that is called what nana? The 3 medians kuda oka point daggara intersect ayyayi. The intersecting point is called what? That is the centroid. That is centroid of a triangle. Is it clear? Yes. So it's one of the important statement on the centroid G. The centroid of a triangle G is divides the median in the ratio 2:1. What is the ratio now? The centroid of a triangle G, it divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Okay. Now see how to find the centroid of a triangle. The coordinates are given. So this is A, B, C. Here the point is given -4, 6 point A, and point B, that is 2, -2, and C, that is 2, 5. Okay. The vertices of a triangle A, B, C are given -4, 6, 2, -2, and 2, 5. Now I am taking here, this is the x1 and this is the y1, and this is x2 and this is y2, and this is x3 and y3. The centroid G. Okay. Centroid G is equals to, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula. What is the centroid formula, Nana? That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So we know x1 means the value is what, Nana? That is x1 means that is -4, plus x2 means that is 2, plus x3 means that is also 2 by 3 comma y1 the value is 6, plus y2 the value is -2, plus y3 the value is 5 by 3. Now see, -4 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 minus 4 what, Nana? That is 0. So we get that is 0 by 3 comma here 6 plus 5 is there. 6 plus 5 means that is 11. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 means what, wrong? That is 9. 9 by 3. Now 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then we know that 0 by something is always 0 only, comma that is 3. So the centroid of a triangle with the coordinates that is what, 0, 3. 3. So by using this formula we can find the centroid of a triangle like this. Okay. Yes. Okay students, now the next topic is slope of a line joining two points. We know the rectangular axis, the coordinate axis are x-axis, the horizontal axis x-axis and the vertical axis y-axis, x dash, y dash. This is the origin, the common intersecting point of both the axes. So what I am doing now, drawing a straight line through like this. This is a line. I am taking any 2 points on the line. Okay, na? The point A, that is what? X1, Y1. The point B, that is X2, Y2. Okay, na? So now from point A, you just draw the perpendicular to ray OX. From point A నుంచి ఈ OX ray OX కి ఒక perpendicular draw చేయండి. And like that only from point B, you draw the perpendicular like this. Okay. So it intersect here A and ఇక్కడ A ఉంది కదా, so it intersect here C and it is intersect here D. అంటే AC is perpendicular to OX and as well as BD is perpendicular to OX. Now again from A you draw the perpendicular to BD like this. Now they form a right angle. Now you just consider, now it looks like a right angle triangle, na? BEA. It looks like a right angle triangle. Now we want a slope. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇలా డ్రా చేసాము అంటే ఇట్స్ మేకింగ్ ఏ సర్టెన్ యాంగిల్, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ theta. So if I want the slope of the angle when the 2 points are, while we are joining the 2 points in a Cartesian plane, okay, so we should find the slope. Let us discuss some problems based on this model. Of AB, find the slope of AB with the given points. A is given 4, -6 and the points of B is given 7, 2. Okay, so how to find the slope? You see Nana, the slope M is equal to, that is change in y by change in x, means that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope M is equals to what, Nana? That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి you take it as x1 and it as y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Just substitute the y values, y1 y2 and x1 x2 values in this place. y2 means that is 2, already in formula minus is there, but y1 means what? -6. Then minus of minus means we can write it as plus, by x2 means that is 7 minus x1 means that is 4. Then we get here 2 plus 6, that is equals to 8 by 7 minus 4, that is 3. Therefore the slope is equals to, therefore the slope M is equals to, that is 8 by 3. Okay students, so you to take the any two different points, okay, then by using the slope formula find the slope. Okay, thank you.